Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the numerical 1 on reflection and transmission. When a plane wave traveling in the free space incident normally on a medium having epsilon r is equal to 4, then what fraction of power transmitted into the medium? So here medium 1 is given free space, so eta 1 is 125 and medium 2 is lossless, so its eta 2 is under root of mu by epsilon, so it is mu naught mu r by epsilon naught into epsilon r, so eta 2 is 125 because under root of mu naught by epsilon naught is 125 into 1 by 4, it is 60 pi. So we will calculate gamma e, it is eta 2 minus eta 1 upon eta 1 plus eta 2. So it is 60 pi minus 125 upon 60 pi plus 125, it is minus of 1 by 3. So power reflection coefficient, it is minus of gamma e square and it is minus of 1 by 3 whole square, it is minus of 1 by 9. So this is the power reflected. This indicating how much power is reflected. So what is power transmitted then? So tau p, it is 1 minus of gamma p. So it is 1 minus of 1 by 9. So this answer is 8 by 9. This is our required answer. 8 by 9 power will be transmitted. So thank you for watching the video.